Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to download and install VMware Workstation on Windows. Let's get started. First, open your browser and paste this link. You will find this link in the video description. If you don't already have a Broadcom account, create one using your email address. Now fill in the CAPTCHA. Click Next. Now enter the verification code sent to your email address. Click Verify and continue. Now fill out this form with your information. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Create Account. Once your account is ready, click Login. After signing in, you will be taken to the Broadcom support portal. Then paste this VMware Workstation direct download link. You will find this link in the video description. Then select the latest stable Windows version available. Select the latest release version. Click on the Terms and Conditions link and read the terms and policies. Then accept the license agreement and any required download terms. Click on the Download button. Then click Yes. You will now see the trade compliance and download conditions form. Fill out the form with the required information. Check the I agree box. Then click Submit. Once you click Submit, you will be redirected back to the page. Click the Download button again, and the VMware Workstation download will begin. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, open the installer. If Windows asks for permissions, click Yes. Follow the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement and continue with the default installation option unless you want to customize them. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Once it's done, click Finish. Now search for VMware Workstation Pro and launch it. After that, you will be able to create a new virtual machine or open an existing one. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed VMware Workstation Pro on your Windows PC. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.